First race. Madfast car against Madfast car. Representing Team Hot Wheels in the blue, number 1. And representing GNR Vintage Diecast Racing in the red, number 8. Alright. Let's get this race on. This is winner take all. Let it rip. They're coming around. Oh, GNR's coming. Oh, it's close. It's going. Oh, it was close, but GNR took it. All right. 1 for GNR. Up next is the Funny Car Races. Let's get him up there. And winner take all. And representing Team T-Rex is the T-Rex. And in the Bonneville Funny Car is GNR Vintage Diecast Racing. All right, are you ready? Winner take all. Let it rip. Oh, they're ripping. Oh, it's T-Rex ripping. Oh, here he comes. GNR's coming down the corner. And it's a blowout. So there we go. We'll have to get another one going next time on New Year's Eve blowout race. See you later.